In this video lesson, let's review and summarize the different ways we classify the cost concepts in Chapter 1 using the Coca-Cola as reference, which I posted a video in Blackboard for its manufacture process. In manufacture industry, very importantly, we classify the cost into manufacture and non-manufacture related costs based upon whether they are directly involved or needed in making the products or not. For manufacture cost, we have direct material, direct labor, and general manufacture overhead. Direct material represents the raw materials, ingredients, or parts that are directly used in making the products. For the Coca-Cola case, we see in the video, they have different ingredients, including the mixed syrup, the water, the carbon dioxide, and using the bottling or the cans to package the liquid. For direct labor, we have the factory people who they directly work on the products, such as the factory worker we see in the video to power the liquid mix into the water in the Coca-Cola case. With the automation and the robots used more and more in productions, so there has been a less and less requirements for direct labor involved. Finally, the general manufacture overhead is a comprehensive cost pool that includes all other indirect manufacture costs to make the products, such as setting up the equipment, depreciation of the equipment, or maintenance of the equipment, quality check expenses for the products, the payroll of the supervisors or the janitors of the factory, insurance, property tax for the factory buildings, and etc. So there may be hundreds or even thousands of different items in this cost pool in a general manufacture setting. So in these days, when the managers think about how to reduce the cost and save money from the production process, the manufacture overhead is an important area they need to check. Okay, so you mean are all of the overhead incurred valid, or is really necessary to make the products? So is there any room we can make improvements to reduce the cost levels in this area? Because over time, as we have decreased the direct labor cost, the indirect overhead, the percentage of overhead in the total manufacture cost has been rising up consistently. So it's very important we have a good control and monitoring system for the overhead cost. So finally, for these classifications, also mostly used in learning and in like reporting. So we combine the direct material and the direct labor, and we name it as prime cost. So prime cost means the primary cost to be converted into the final products. So direct material and direct labor. Then you combine the direct labor and the manufacture overhead, or I need to change. So the combination of this, I have a typo here, should be conversion cost. By the name, so conversion means the labor plus overhead help the company convert the raw material into the final products. So that's two supplementary concepts related to the manufacture cost categories.